Sangiev. Today we're back here with the boys for a video that both of them don't know what they're in for. That didn't even make
level going through the roof.
They literally made no sense. But either way, we've got Jacob to my right, aka Cleanest Apparel.
Oh,
You've got Fernando to my left, aka Designer Clothes 21. And together they are the
Black Squad.
That's exactly who you are. Today's video, as I said, the boys aren't aware of what's going on, and I thought we would break it down all together. I brought 2 items for 2 outfits from my personal wardrobe that you guys have to style.
Oh.
And you have 2 minutes.
Wait, what?
You have 2 minutes from me revealing the item to styling it.
With what?
With your clothing.
Oh, but they're not even organized.
Wait, is this a same video with that?
Boom!
Yeah, kind of.
You're gonna knock the video.
Let me see.
God's shit. Alright? I'm going to push the boys a bit out of their comfort zone because otherwise it's not funny. But I think they can both style it in their own way and it'll be fun. So, hold on a second, let me just push the suitcase. Oh my god!
Content!
Oh my god!
Bro!
Oh
what?
my
Just
god!
Does that hurt?
Nah, does the
What,
camera
are you
okay?
sure? Are you sure that
What
didn't hurt?
happened
Is the
to it?
camera okay?
Did that not hurt? Oh my god! Oh my god, dude. We have to watch that right now.
Oh my god! Right, so slight change to the rules. Because the boys' room are absolute tip, I'm not going to go in there and vlog there for their 2 minutes. I'm going to let you guys run in for 2 minutes. Timer is here. Alright, so the first item that we've got, and you're both going to have to, start it.
What?
Gucci floral
ASAP Rocky.
blue jeans. Don't go for that. Don't go for that ASAP fit.
I'm going for it. Okay. What did ASAP wear with that?
I don't know, it'll be a 2 minute start now.
Oh, okay. I know what I'm wearing with it. No, we had to pick an outfit together, right?
Oh no, you pick one each, and I'm going to be chilling. I think 2 minutes is too long.
It's not the best outfit, but it works. Yeah. I'm playing it safe.
And the boots.
It's gonna look sick. I'm seeing it.
Alright, 2 minutes is too long. I'm going to do it for 1 minute for the next one.
Jacob's really trying to impress you
I
guys.
know, he's really going for it.
Okay, I got my fit.
What's fit?
Good, just reveal it all slowly.
Right, it's 1 minute 30, so everyone's done it within 2 minutes. That sucks. Next time.
Where's the challenge, dude?
Next time we're doing it in a minute.
I'm using this undercover black on black groupie hoodie. I don't know if you guys can see it, but
Yeah.
that on top of the Gucci jeans with my black combat boots. That's it.
Okay, first we'll go with shoes. I wasn't
no.
I
wasn't sure what shoe, but I just think, God, I'm gonna restart this. For the shoes, I wasn't sure, but I think with the darker wash, I think just Air Forces, you know, you can't beat them. Next is this vintage type t-shirt that says Shotgun Willie. It's like Willie Nelson merch / t-shirt. Then I threw that under this undercover cardigan. I thought like, since the
Cover.
yeah, I think since the pants were dark, I think the white on the tee and then the shoes kind of, yeah, you know, you think it's a good fit or not?
I think it look good.
I think it look cool.
Alright.
I'm interested to see how
That's
it's
my
gonna
fit. I think it'll look sick.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me believe. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
got a shirt. Now, both of you are a lot taller than me, and this shirt fits quite cropped. I don't know if we're going to stick to this one shirt. We're going to see how it goes. See. It's this guy. Vintage shirt that's been cropped. Very flowy. That's reaction. Hey, very pirate-esque. I'm curious to see how you boys are going to put it on.
I think I could wear it.
Yeah? Fernando?
Yeah.
Alright, so timer.
Timer starts now, go. Got a minute. You got a minute this time. 30 seconds left.
What? Wait, what shoes do I even have?
20 seconds.
Okay, wait, I think I got it. Yep.
15 seconds.
I got it.
No.
Grab them there.
10, 9,
No.
8,
Wait.
7, 6,
Hey, I did it.
5, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Jacob, come out here.
He's cheating. Minus
I'm
2.
not even looking. I only grabbed one thing. I literally grabbed one thing and I wasn't even sure about this. I was like, where are some black pants? I just picked this up. And now I'm stuck with it. Ah!
That's could look good. Okay, so that's the shirt. I'm using these black number 9 anti-war pants. They have like a slim, straight fit. And I think those are good with some Doc Martens.
Okay.
So that's my fit.
I didn't get to grab what I wanted, but I'm just gonna pretend these have a belt in them because that's super important.
Okay.
So I wanted some black, like skinnier denim, but I don't really have any. So I have this. These are like pretty slim. It's like a slim light wash pair. Ideally, I would have some kind of like SLP boot or like a cowboy boot or even like a derby shoe to wear with it. I might just wear these. I don't know. This is a bad outfit. And then like I was thinking I could wear like some kind of black belt to match the shoes and the belt, and then like I'll probably wear this little necklace and whatever jewelry I have on, some rings, some bracelets. I think it could be a cool little.
No, I'm looking forward to it.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me believe. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between our sides. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby.
Jacob, for the 100th time, get off your phone. Stop checking out your likes. Oh, my man's editing his picture that he nearly risked his life. I've got to keep him waiting. So anyway, we're back from that little adventure. The boys put their finest display in their clothing. What did you not think?
I like the jeans a lot. I don't really have a pair of Indigo jeans, and they're Gucci, so they're sick. But on a real note, I'm probably gonna buy a pair of Indigo after that. I like how they work with the black a lot.
That's the thing, I'm surprised that more people don't do that often. But
Yeah.
black boots, especially with those, so sick in my opinion.
Yeah.
What do you think of the shirt? Is that something you might maybe wear once?
Once in a blue moon, but it's like as far as like on a weekly basis, probably not. But every now and then, gotta switch it up.
I thought the shirt was sick. Like I really like the vibe of the shirt. I could see not wearing that super often, but
Yeah,
if I ever
exactly.
wanted to like get dressed up or like not really dressed
It's
up.
just one of those pieces that you bust out every once in a while.
Go out to dinner with your mom. In that.
And
For me, it's more of a day of mine, but shit.
Dude, it's a date. Are you kidding me, bro? It's gonna be my mom's date. Oh, anyways. We're gonna cut this just to
real quick.
dating mom.
I love the jeans, dude. Dating moms. Bro. Anyways, the
That's
jeans were
Jacob
sick.
right there.
Exactly.
Looking like mom.
The jeans were
Dating
sick.
moms. Taking us really far. Alright, you can do it.
The jeans were sick, alright? There's a few things I like about them. One, like Fernando said, indigo denim, sick.
Key.
Also, it's really hard to find a pair of loud pants that don't look terrible. You know what I mean?
Tacky.
Like the pink
Yeah.
camel ones, whatever. I think those look sick. I like them a ton. I wish I would have worn better, had more than 2 minutes to think of a fit.
Yeah.
But I really like all this, and I actually really like the fit with the shirt I did. I thought like that's probably how I would wear that.
Yeah.
But the jeans, they're both sick pieces. Like,
Yeah.
That's why I'm gonna take them later.
Hands down, best closet.
All you can say is everyone go over to Jacob Wallace's Instagram, smash like on the new pic. We're
Yes.
trying to break 1 million.
Yes. You know what? I'm gonna put a behind the scenes. Well, hopefully by the time this video goes live, the picture will already be up, most likely.
It will. Yeah.
It's going up now.
And so here's the picture. And now here's kind of the behind the scenes of what it took to get that picture. Okay, this you're crazy. All of this for the IG clout. And if I was to show you what the drop is, I don't even want to take my camera over there.
right?
Like
It's so
my
far.
camera, I don't even want to take.
7 stories.
Is it worth the likes?
I don't know. Why not? The wind is his ass. Crazy. This guy takes.
Could
a
you
trip
believe
to
that?
Insane.
Insane.
Absolutely insane. For a picture, but fair play. So just for that reason, what's the highest you've ever hit?
I don't know, like 14. Alright, this is so
Let's
easy.
get this picture to 20,000.
Whoa!
20,000.
And when we do whoa, cut in the clip of you falling.
Oh God! Dude. Memes.
Whoa! This video's going bad. Quick session.
20K. Let's get this picture. I'm actually going to try and edit this video on time. Let's get this picture to 20K videos. 20 fucking posts.
20,000 YouTube videos.
Let's get this picture to 20,000 likes with Jacob Wallace. I'm going to leave all his information in the description box. Down below you can find Fernando Rangel, you can Rangel. Sorry, I want to say Rangel. I don't
Yeah,
know
it
why.
doesn't matter.
Ranger.
My
Rangel.
teachers stay butchering it. Rangio. But it's Fernando Rangel, if you care.
It's right there. My man Jacob Wallace, aka Cleanest the Power, is right there. Everything in the description box down below. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to whatever. Have a beautiful day. Take care.
Love you all.
Peace.
See ya.
Okay.